Hello and welcome to my quick demonstration of the IAmKevin.CA nCurses website. So we're going to load it up now and we're going to go through it all, including the back-end stuff which nobody usually gets to see so much. So here it is here. Let's go to IAmKevin.CA and you can access the system. And from here you can notice at the bottom, you can click navigate the tabs on the top. The tabs are fully clickable, and it's also F1 for help. So you can press F1 and you can go through all this and it'll explain what you can actually do, meaning you can use arrow keys, you can use the mouse, it's up to you. So if you want to use the arrow keys, you just press the tab and you can go up. See, arrow keys can change between tabs. So when we go to the wall, we can go to the wall, and the wall post, you can just press down easily and just say, this is a demonstration wall post for the video, and then just click on post to wall, and it goes thank you, and then you should be able to scroll, and you'll notice that you can't, the buttons vanish and the post is right there, as you can see. You go to contact form. This actually contacts me if you actually fill it in, and then you have the interests here, and then the about here. These links actually work. If I press this, for example, it'll go to my Bitbucket page, just like that. For some reason, it didn't load correctly there. The CSS page for them didn't work. Let's try it again. Oh, that's perfect timing. They're migrating some of their repositories to new hardware, so I'm guessing that's why it's not working right now. Interesting. Okay, so we're going to connect again. So this time we're going to go to the back end system here. So we're going to press F5 at that moment and go to the back end. So if you press help here, you can see a bunch of commands. You can go help, website. Should be weird. Should be tabbable, but so you can see that does the F1 stuff. You go help about, and you can see the about page. And you can click my website here to get to my Python diary page, which is my blog. As you can see, loads my blog here. Right. Okay. Then you go help again here. We use a bunch of other commands. You can do catalog. It's all tab completion. You press tab and you can see a bunch of things here. You can also do, like, say, read wall, and you can see the entire wall here. So this is the thing I just posted, and you can see everything else. And then you can also do a wall post as well. If you go help, you can type in help wall post, and it will tell you stuff. Post a commentary to the website's wall for all to see. So you can go wall post. You can use quotations that put it in quotations. You can go, this is another wall post for the demonstration video, right? And then now if you do press up a few times, you can go back in history and you can press enter and you can actually see the new wall post. This is another wall post for the demonstration video. Other things you can do if you go help, you'll notice there's a command called dbread. So if we type in read, tab, we can do tab and we can tab it out. Actually, let's see. Let's just go, dbread. Then we can tab it out and it'll tell you DBs you can read. You can read the interests on the console, right? You can go dbread, you can read my profile info from the console. And oddly enough, there's even another file here called password, which actually stores the credentials for the back end stuff, which is kind of nice to see. The password is obviously hashed, so you can't easily figure it out. If you can figure it out, then, well, all the power to you. And you can also scroll through here as well too and see everything. And a lot of the commands here are, of course, they don't work unless you use the login command, like you can't do, for example, proc ls. You're not authenticated, right? If you actually want to see the log and everything else is written, you can go read log, and it'll actually bring up the entire website log, so you can see everything I've typed. You can see everything that's been entered in for the past while. So you can see a bunch of interesting stuff here. So other things I guess you can do without logging in would be you can access the Hacker's Edge demo, CPU, sim, dbread works. The read command works if you can go catalog and you can see all the text files. So you can go read. You can see my IP tables. by doing that, you can see my entire IP tables, which is kind of neat. So, and then let's see what else there is here. So catalog. Some other files here are like files you would see on the actual site. If you go about, brings you the about file. Help brings you the regular help file, and a few other text files here. If you're curious what they are, you can look into them. And that. And I think this might be it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to connect through the Telnet interface, and I want to show you the commands that require logging in. So if you're very curious on how the login commands work, like say edit and all those things, then stay tuned. I'm not going to do the login through the web interface, but I'll do it through the Telnet one, just to kind of give an example on how all those things work. So hopefully you enjoyed this video so far, and if also you press exit, it'll bring you back here, and then from here you can either press escape or F8 to exit. So press escape and it gets you out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next video.